What is epigenetics? Epigenetics is the study of how genes are turned on or off without changing the actual DNA sequence. In other words, your genetic code stays the same, but the way your body reads and uses that code can change over time. These changes affect how cells behave, how proteins are produced, and even how certain traits appear. To understand this, imagine your DNA as a massive instruction book. Every cell has the same book, but not every cell reads every page. Epigenetic mechanisms act like sticky notes or highlights, telling the cell which instructions to follow and which to ignore. This is how a skin cell knows its skin, and a brain cell knows its brain, even though they share identical DNA. One of the most important features of epigenetics is that it is influenced by the environment. Diet, stress, sleep, exercise, exposure to toxins, and even social experiences can leave epigenetic marks on your genes. For example, chronic stress can switch on genes linked to inflammation, while healthy habits may activate genes that protect your cells. Epigenetics also plays a major role in health and disease. Researchers have found epigenetic changes linked to cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and neurological disorders. In some cases, harmful genes aren't mutated. They're simply switched on at the wrong time or in the wrong way. Perhaps the most fascinating part is that some epigenetic changes can be passed to future generations. This means that experiences like famine, trauma, or lifestyle choices may leave biological traces that affect children and even grandchildren. Epigenetics challenges the idea that biology is fixed. It shows that genes interact constantly with life itself. While you can't change your DNA, you may influence how it behaves, making epigenetics one of the most powerful and exciting fields in modern science.